Wagwan guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in on the first episode, and thank you for also tuning into the second episode as well, second vlog. I want to apologize for the first one I dropped. I made a rookie mistake and I uploaded the one without the music. So the experience overall, if you guys made it to the end, thank you very much. If you didn't, I understand, because it wasn't very as entertaining as I wanted it to be. So this one is not going to happen again. We're going to get this one right. We have this one right, actually. So stay tuned. On today's episode, you're going to really enjoy this one. I'm going to take you guys to a prime spot. If you visit the Fort Lauderdale area, you 100% have to check out this area. Las Olas and Fort Lauderdale Beach. Right now we're dressed. The vehicle's outside running as well. Today's a hot day. So come with me and we're going to head down to Fort Lauderdale Beach and Las Olas. Alright guys, we're all set. Let's go. It is 12 o'clock in the day. So here we are going on lunchtime. We are going to get lunch today. I'm indecisive right now, so I don't know exactly what I'm getting today. But I'll let you know when I get there. Stay tuned. Alright guys, just got some food from Tropical Smoothie Cafe. It's some healthy food. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Alright guys, so I got the avocado smoothie. So this is avocado, pineapple, coconut, all mixed into a beautiful shake. This is so delicious guys. You should definitely try it anytime you come to Tropical Smoothie. Or if you haven't been, definitely try it. Also, I have a Thai chicken wrap. Some nice sauce on it. Let me see if I can show you guys what it looks like. Nice sauce, nice healthy food. Got some chicken in there for my protein and some other stuff. It's really good. Also, they give you a side option, so you can get chips, apple or banana. So I went with the banana, but you don't know we're gonna slice this up, cause you know, or break it up, cause you're not eating a whole banana. You see me I say? Alright guys, thank you for tuning into the video. Thank you for tuning into the channel. If you made it this far, I want to send a special thank you to you. I appreciate you. I love you. Right, that's not yes. Right, that's I appreciate you. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like it. Make sure you comment below. Make sure you share it with your friends. And most importantly, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Subscribers are very important to me at this point. We're a new channel, we're a young channel. Make sure you subscribe. I appreciate you again. There's a lot more to come. We're going to try to make sure we can find better and better content to post here so you guys can actually enjoy what you can watch and what you can see. Again, thank you. I appreciate you. Until next time. In the meantime, go and like, subscribe. You can watch it a couple of times as well. But like, subscribe, and thank you. I will see you soon. Next week, another video is coming. Thank you.